front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on sound and vibration available here. Now scroll again, this time to click on Vibration and Haptics. And use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch it on or turn it off. Quick tip, most people miss that if your phone is already on mute, you won't be able to manage vibration settings, so make sure to unmute it. And then click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them on or turn them off. Ring vibration, and if you activate this one, vibrate first, then ring gradually. Notification vibration, alarm, touch feedback, and media. When you're done with all of those, you can go back. And last but not least, scroll all the way down to manage those three. Vibrate white dialing, charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!